Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Thursday, Thirsty Thursday. It's looking pretty nice out there today here in Sutter County, California. It's supposed to be around 82 according to Bob Herlin and his weather report this morning. It's going to drop 20 degrees Friday night into Saturday with pretty good rain. Yes. All right. Enough of the weatherman. Last night I did Irish tacos. Simple meal. Robert and I had picked up a corned beef during the season, split it in two, and put it in the freezer just for things like this. Roasted the corned beef. The house smelled wonderful. Super easy to cut and get. You saw, if you didn't see the pictures, check it out. We used coleslaw. I added a little bit of salsa, and we did some Colby Jack cheese, and a little, street-sized taco shells, tortillas. And I made my Mexican rice, which I prefer of all the methods I've tried. And Robin likes it too. So tonight, I'm preparing black pepper chicken stir fry. Simple stir fry, and I'll be serving this over brown rice using the roasting method. Let's take a look. It's a wok day. The wok is out. And there's the pan for the rice. We've got chicken thighs. Robin and I buy a big pack of chicken thighs, and Robin breaks them down for us. And it's going to have some onion, some oil for the wok work, going with 2 different colors of bell peppers, red and yellow. I'm using some leftover mushrooms from the other night, just because I can, and I don't like to waste them. Garlic, my new favorite tube of ginger. I've got some kosher salt, and of course, there's pepper in the title, so there's going to be some. I'm actually going to crack up some and grind up some new fresh pepper because it's needed. So, and the sauce is going to be a light sodium soy sauce, a dark soy sauce, some chicken broth, some white wine, and cornstarch, and a little bit of sugar. There's the brown rice for roasting later on. Simple, but I get to play mixologist for the sauce and the marinade. Should be a good time later on this morning. So, on this Thirsty Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.